Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious chicken suya. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So guys, here are the two soft chicken I'm going to be using for this chicken suya. I really like using this soft chicken because it's so juicy, so tender. I really like it. But if you don't like it, you can use the hard chicken. All depends on your choice. So I'm going to take off the backbone. Then I'll open the chicken wide. I'm going to be leaving all the details of this recipe in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Please do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button and also remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. And you can as well go to my channel. I have a lot of delicious recipe. Go and check them out. Thank you so much. So guys, as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead to wash the chicken. I'll be right back. So now I've finished washing the chicken. I'm just going to take my kitchen napkin to dry them up. I'm going to be using this spicy olive oil. I'm going to be adding black pepper. I really like spicing my chicken with some black pepper. It's option. If you don't like it, don't add. Add any seasoning of your choice or any spices of your choice. Then I'll start rubbing the chicken all around the body with the spicy olive oil. I'm going to make sure that I rub it in the both sides. I'm going to flip the other side. So guys, as you can see, I've rubbed all the spicy olive oil around the chicken and I'm going to take a knife. I'm just going to be putting hole all around the body of the chicken. That will help the suya spice to go inside the body very well. Guys, that add more taste to this chicken suya. So guys, here is my suya spice direct from Nigeria. I got the suya spice from my customer. There is this man that sells suya. I used to buy suya from him when I was in Nigeria. So anytime I need suya spice, it's for me to call him and I'll give it to my brother and my brother will post it to me here. I really have a lot of suya spice in my freezer because they always bring it for me anytime they are bringing something for me from Nigeria. So I'm just going to rub all the body very well with the suya spice because I want to feel that You know, that Nigerian suya is really delicious. I miss it so much. But I'm going to make my own like that in my house today. So I'll marinate it and I'm going to leave mine throughout the night because that will add more taste. All the ingredients will just go inside the chicken very well. So I'm going to be repeating the same process with the other chicken. So guys, let's talk about the suya spice. As you can see, my suya spice, I did not add more spices into it because mine was already okay like that. I only add a little amount of salt. So if you have yours, maybe you need to adjust it a little bit with some seasoning cubes, with some pepper or more salt. Just feel free to do it, okay? So I'm going to be placing some onions around the chicken, in between the chicken, to add this onions flavor. You feel this aroma of onions all around the chicken because I love onions so much. If you don't like it, please just skip the onions. So I'm going to take a clean film. I'll wrap the chicken very well. I'm going to cover it and I'll put it in my refrigerator throughout the night. That will take this suya to the next level because everything will marinate together very well. You feel that flavor of that suya spice in your chicken. So guys, this is the next day. I'm going to be placing this chicken on top of my oven rag. I'll put it in my already preheated oven. So I'm just going to set the oven to 190 degree, and I can tell you the exact time because you have to be checking it time to time. Let's say about 1 hour 30 minutes, but all depends on your oven. So I'm just going to be checking my own time to time to see how the chicken is doing. So guys, I'm just going to be rubbing some oil all around the chicken because I don't want it to be too dry. So guys, our chicken suya is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and set that notification bell icon so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.